Hello everyone, welcome to first step in basic Python. In this topic, we will learn how to convert types of variable. In EP1, we know about types of variable, but sometimes if we have to calculate value of variable between string and integer, that may be error because string can calculate operator which integer or float. Or some case you need to calculate integer and float. That may be float, but we need to integer. In this topic, will help you in this case. Okay, let's get started. I will create file name convert underscore types underscore variable dot py. Okay, the first I will create three variable a equal 10, b equal 20.22 and c equal string, or I will create string in double quotes and 2. Then I will create sum underscore total equal a plus c. I will show you what happens when I calculate integer and string, and then print sum total. Run. Okay, that's occur error. It tell me type error because we cannot calculate between string and integer. That we need to convert string to int from y variable inside int. Yes, with just y in this method, we can calculate string and integer. And run again. Yes, it's occur 12. That's correct. This method will convert all the types to integer. Sometimes, if you need to print float number, I will show you in sum underscore total underscore to a plus b, and change this true and print it. In this screen, we show you float number is from integer past float. But in some time, if you need to integer from float number, you can use the same way which string to int. You just change or write method int b. Oh, sorry. Just write in sum total 2 and print again. That will be integer. Or if you need to print integer to float, I will show you in two. In the one is float 1 and run. You can see that if I write in float before sum total, it will show in float number, or but if I don't write something, it will be showing integer. Okay, in this topic, we'll talk about how to convert types of variable. I hope this video will help you in some project or work. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.